Hello everybody, I'm super excited because I got these cool little buds. So these are the little P20i wireless earbuds. So these work and they have a 30 hour battery and they are waterproof. So they have an IPX rating of 5. So they even have an app to them. I'm gonna switch over to my table so you guys can see it better. Right here is what it looks like, so we're just going to open this up. There's some tape on here. I'm super excited because these are my new buds and they are from Soundcore, so they're going to be pretty cool. They even have an app to them. You can customize the way it sounds, so that's what I've been hearing. So we're just going to open this up. Heard Soundcore is another great brand too. Gotta be careful with this box. Oh, I'm grabbing the box with it too. We'll take it out. So what comes in the box is the instructions. These are the Soundcore P20i. These are the user manual. You get a USB-C charger port. You get some tips for your size. These are the buds themselves. So they come in this little wrapper, so let's just undo it. Like that. Okay, so we're just gonna open them up. Whoa, so I did get it in this light blue color. So you can just close it like this. Has a little thing, so you can put it like this. You can hold it like that. Has a Type-C port, so you can just plug it in like that. So we're just gonna take them out. Here's what it looks like. We can just do it like that. So here is the left one. Just put that in the case. I think they might need charging, so I might need to charge them first before I use them. So yeah, let's read more about the box. So right here it does say it has AI hands calls with 2 mics. Customize the experience with the Soundcore app, and it says powerful sound. 10-hour playback with 30-hour playback with a charging case, and you can download the app for it to sound better. So we're just gonna wait for this to charge and then we'll figure out the app. So yeah. Okay, so I've had them charging for a bit now. So now I'm gonna grab my phone. Oh, I just realized it's dying. We're gonna go into our Apple store and now we're just gonna type in, this is what it looks like. So we're just gonna get it. We're gonna wait for that to download real quick. Now it's fully installed. We're just gonna open it up real quick. So I'm gonna agree. Okay, so now I'm gonna sign in with my email and password, so let's just do that real quick. Just created a new account, so now where there's an assistant, we're just gonna skip all that. Now I'm just gonna add my device, so I guess I have to open these up. So I did allow Bluetooth access. Right here, the Bluetooth name is Soundcore, what is it, where is it? Soundcore P20i, so pretty much the same name as them. So it should work now. Oh, I have to mention that you have to take both buds out of the case for it to do it. I don't know why it's not working. There, so now we're just gonna click on them. Here it is. So right here it does have the 2 buds. It does say they're both fully charged. You can customize it. So let me just put one of them in my ear. Ooh, they are comfortable. So they have bass up. There's acoustic, podcast, deep, dance, classical, electronic, flat, hip hop, jazz, pop, rock. Has all these different modes you can do. There's gaming mode. You can find the device. So we're gonna take them out and see if we can bleep them. If we can hear them. It makes a small little beeping noise for them, so you can find them. So we're just gonna put this one so I don't lose it. I don't think it's in. It looks like so. Now we're just gonna play some music. Goodness, they sound so good. So now we're just gonna let me see if I can take out the other one so you guys can hear it, because I do have a little microphone. I don't know how much I can play of this. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And turn on the beat. We can do pop, spoken word, small speakers, R&B. We can do bass up. So the bass is much louder. So yeah. I really do like these. I love this color. So this does have like a blue color. I think they have like a purple. They have a darker blue, and they have like other colors. I don't really remember the other ones. So you can just open it, close it, put your buds in there. I don't really know how to pause them, but I'll have to read that later. Close them up, open them, close it, and when it's dead, you just plug it in from the back of here. You can hang it like this, so it's always with you, or you can put it on your bag if you want. I do like this. This was only $24, $25, so they're definitely good for the price. They're definitely a good alternative to bigger brands. And they're just really good. I definitely do suggest these if you want good buds that have a little thing that you can still track them with the app, and they have things so if you do lose your earbuds, you can track them. So yeah, definitely do suggest these. If you guys want them, they'll be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching.